Good morning everyone. In today's video, I'll teach you division of algebraic terms. There are two types of division. First one is division of monomial by a monomial, and second one is division of polynomial by a monomial. You need to understand simple concept of division. Suppose you have 15 a squared b divided by 3ab. Look at this division. You write 15 a squared b divides by 3ab. You can simplify this and write as 15 into a squared can be written as a multiplied by a into b. Whole thing divides by 3 into a into b. Multiplication. Coefficient you cancel, 3 5 times 15. A cancels, b cancels. Whatever is left, you write it down. 5a is the quotient. So this is simple division of monomial by a monomial. Second example, 25 a to the power of 5 b to the power of 3 divides by 5 a squared b. Look at this one. 25 a squared a to the power of 5 b to the power of 3 divides by 5 a to the power of 2b. If you look at this division, the power at numerator is a to the power of 5 b to the power of 3. So we write this one as 25 a 5 times. Similarly, you can write b 3 times divides by 5. A squared means 2 times a and b is 1. b to the power of 1 means b. 5 times 25, 5 a cancels, a cancels, b cancels. You are left with 5. 1, 2, 3 a's are left, so it is a to the power of 3. 2 b's are left, b to the power of 2. If you proceed with this method, calculation will be a bit longer. So in order to simplify these kind of sums, you have formulae, and the formulas are derived from exponents. The first one, if m is greater than n, a to the power of m divides by a to the power of n directly can be written as a to the power of m minus n. This is first formula where you don't have to keep multiplying. The powers only we subtract. Look at the application of this formula. A to the power of 5 divides by a to the power of 2. Directly we can write it as a to the power of 5 minus 2, which can be written as a to the power of 3. Or you can solve it directly. A you write, numerator has exponent 5, denominator has exponent 2. 5 minus 2 is 3. You can write directly. Powers can be subtracted. The formula tells you power can be subtracted. First application. Second one, if n is greater than n, a to the power of n divides by a to the power of n can be written as 1 divides by a to the power of n minus n. Look at the application of the second formula. Example, a to the power of 3, a to the power of 6. At denominator you have greater power, numerator you have smaller power. So we write 1 at numerator, 1 base, 6 minus 3, only the power gets subtracted. So we write 1 divides by a to the power of 3, 6 minus 3 is 3. Or you can write directly 1 divides by a, 6 minus 3 is 3. It has to be kept at denominator. So these are two formulas you remember. You don't have to keep writing a into a into a, b into b into b and so on. Look at the application of the formulae. 36 a to the power of 5 b to the power of 7 divides by 3 a to the power of 2 b to the power of 5. You have to write these two in fraction. 36 a to the power of 5 b to the power of 7, 3 a to the power of 2 b to the power of 5. Once you write this, you don't have to look at the coefficient. Look at the power. 5, 2. 5 is greater than 2. 7, 5. 7 is greater than 5. Means all the powers at numerator are greater. So we cancel this. 12. We write 12. E greater power minus smaller power. You write at the side and subtract. You get 3. 7 minus 5, which is equal to 2. B to the power of 2. You can solve it directly without writing a 5 times, b 7 times. Second example. Same question. Suppose this one is 9 and this one is 8. Look at this. 36 a to the power of 5 b to the power of 7 divides by 3 a to the power of 9 b to the power of 8. Powers at numerator are smaller, powers at denominator are greater. So you cancel this 3 12 times, write 12 at numerator. Denominator power is greater, so you copy a. This power 9 minus power of a 5, you subtract, you get 4. A to the power of 4. B has power 8, 7. 8 minus 7. You can write this one as 1. So straight away b to the power of 1, or you can write b. Look at this application of the formula which I gave. You don't have to worry about numerals, but you have to be very, very careful with exponent powers. Now, division of polynomials or polynomial by monomial. 3x squared plus 5x to the power of 5 plus 7 by x. First example, x. So what you have to do, you copy this term at numerator. 3x squared plus 5x to the power of 5 plus 7 divides by x. You have single denominator and there are 3 numerators. Each will divide individually. First you divide by x plus divide by x, the second one. Then divide third one, 7 by x. 3 you copy as it is because denominator is 1. Numerator power is greater. 2 minus 1, which is equal to 1. So we write x to the power of 1 plus 5. Numerator has power 5. So you write 5 minus 1, which is equal to 4, x to the power of 4. Plus no variable at numerator, you copy as you have. This is the divided value of polynomial with monomial. Next one, look at this second example. X cubed x squared plus 25 x squared y cubed minus 36 x to the power of 4 y to the power of 4 by 5 x squared y squared. Similar steps should be involved. 15 x to the power of 3 x to the power of 2, sorry, this is y to the power of 2 plus 25 x to the power of 2 y to the power of 3 minus 36 x to the power of 4 y to the power of 4. Whole thing divides by divisor. You write individually, start dividing. 15 x cubed y squared divides by 5 x squared y squared plus sign. 25 x squared y cubed divides by 5 x squared y squared minus 36 x to the power of 4 y to the power of 4 divides by 5 x squared y squared. Once you do the division, you need to look at the coefficient. Divided 3 times. So you write 3 and 2 powers of x greater, so you write x. 3 minus 2, which is equal to 1, so you write x to the power of 1. Y is equal, so you can cancel this. No y is left. Plus sign. 5 times 25, you write 5. X to the power of 2, x to the power of 2. Equal powers you can cancel. Y 3 and 2, so you write y. 3 minus 2 is 1. Minus 36 can't be divided by 5, so keep fraction as it is. X to the power of 4, 2. Greater power x. 4 minus 2 is 2. Greater power for y, smaller power, you write y. 4 minus 2 is 2. This is the divided value of polynomial with monomial. So please do watch it carefully and apply the formula which I gave. Division of monomial by monomial, division of polynomial by monomial, and it is exercise 19D. It's not difficult. You try question number 1. There are 8 sums. You don't have to do all. 1, 3, 5, and do number 7. Similarly, question number 2, you do number 1. 7. Question number 3. Part 2. Part 4. Part 6. Then you do question number 5, 5.1, 5.3 and 5.4. These are the sums you need to do to understand the division of monomial by monomial and division of polynomial by monomial. Thank you very much. Stay home, stay safe. Please practice maths.